I really like it because of the long plait. It's easy to curl. It makes really defined curls and also fits well to my hand. It makes it easy to handle.
I can enjoy different curls every time. Just keep and curl very easy and safe to use.
It's great. I mean, when I usually straighten my hair, because my hair is thick and long, it takes like a lot of strokes before I can get it done. But when I use a straightener, it's amazing. I don't have to do so many strokes, and it's so fast and easy. It's amazing.
I love it. It was really easy to use, and look at this. It comes with a cap, and I can just bring this with me anywhere I go. The design is very stylish and cute. I just love it.